on YouTube? It's Corey with High Performance. Got my truck back here. Today I worked some more on grinding down this frame so I can get a coat of paint on it, get this bed back on. We got some new brackets going for the triple adjustable shocks. Yeah, just some stuff getting welded up. We might even be flipping the axle around. Y'all stay tuned on that, but just really want to get this frame cleaned up. It wasn't that dirty. So like I was saying, it wasn't that dirty. It wasn't that rusty, just some surface rust like right here. This is from there here. I haven't cleaned that yet, so it kind of gives you an idea of what and inside there, what the rest of it looked like. But you know, being in South Carolina, we don't typically, the frames on vehicles around here don't typically rust completely out. Just a little surface rust, so it's pretty clean. Yeah, there it is. I didn't clean these up too much because I'm actually putting drop hangers there, so I'll be cutting all that off. Didn't worry about these brackets because I'm cutting them off. I need to get this transmission out, get it to my guy in Somerville, get it rebuilt, get this frame, get the frame sprayed down, bed back on, fuel lines ran. New regulator mounted. Other than that, once the transmission's back in, I'll be able to crank it up over 700 horsepower then. So that's what I'm looking forward to. We've got to get those slicks mounted up. For right now, we're putting them on, there they are, on those rims right there. Still got the 5.3 in progress. We got a lot of things going on, so. What's up, YouTube? It's Corey back here on this Sunday, August the 7th. Wanted to make one last video going over the new rear shocks and kind of show y'all a few of these other boxes over here, what's inside of them, a little bit more in depth. So, but yeah, let me put this camera down and I'll show you all these shocks a little bit better. All right. So we've got the Viking double adjustable. First, I'm gonna go over some of the literature that I came with. I've actually just noticed that. So, you get your warranty, fill it out. Let's see. So this is a tuning guide. I got one of these for the front coilovers. It tells you comfort, handling, autocross, drag with rear suspension, drag with weight transfer. So basically, it's a good guide to start with. It tells you how many clicks of the compression and rebound to do. So basically, all that's telling you is a good basis on, you know, how to tune your shocks and how to get the best performance out of them. So that's that. This tells you here's your instructions, another warranty / disclaimer. Just telling you what to do and what not to do. Jack up your vehicle, fully extend the piston rod, ensure that jam nut under the bearing is secure. So before I put them on, I'll definitely be reading all that just to make sure I'm not missing something. So it comes with the paperwork, but let's see how far they extend out. So that's fully extended right there. I don't have a tape measure on me, but so this is both on 0, compression and rebound. And you can see it's fairly easy to push in and pull out. So let's do 2 clicks for the compression. Oh yeah, it stiffened it up. Good amount just from 2 clicks. I mean, 2 clicks on rebound. Oh yeah. Made it way harder to pull out. Just from 2 clicks on it. Just for shits and giggles, let's see what 5 total would be. I can barely fucking do it. Yeah, shit. That takes some damn force there. Probably won't even be able to pull it back out. That's a badass shot there. 5 clicks and hell, it goes up to, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Right about 19 clicks. I'd say 18 for sure. And I was at 5 and could barely do the compression or rebound. So I'm sure there's a lot of tunability with these shocks. Can't wait to get them on there and actually get them tested out. But that's it. Fully extended. There is different part numbers. So when you order them off Atomic, he's going to ask you for your height from the bottom of your wheel well. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. Bottom of your wheel well to the center of your hub, so the tire size doesn't matter, and he'll get you the right size. I told him about 5 inches shorter because I knew the coilovers on the front is going to drop the front down. So I'm gonna C-notch the frame, flip the axle, possibly drop hangers. We'll see. I've been thinking, I don't really know if I'm gonna need them now. Might put them on just to have some adjustability if I do want to go lower. But yeah, these shocks on the rear should get it to hook up, get the power put down. Should stay planted once I get them, tuned and figured out. But part number on this is a 240435. So I'll show you a few other things I've got. Let's start with Kryptonite tie rod sleeves. Part number KRS LV10. Says 2001 to 2010. But I'm gonna put these on. They just screw on your tie rod, beef them up. Hopefully, we'll see how long they last. If I end up bending these or breaking them, then we'll go with like Kryptonite tie rod. But a lot of people are using these and putting pretty big power down. So Wicked Fab upper control arms, pretty beefed up, but they're actually lighter than the stock control arms. That's good. We've got the Wicked Fab lower control arms, and all this works great with the Atomic Fab coilover kit. So I cannot wait to see how this bolted up. Aluminum spindles. I mean, if you've ever held a stock spindle, this thing is light compared to what comes on these trucks. So I'm excited to get that put on. We've got the brackets for the rear shocks, Atomic Fab brackets for the coilovers in the front. You need this If you have a four-wheel drive, getting rid of torsion bars. Other package here. Part number on this is 191036. Same down there, double adjustable. I cannot wait to get all this on and get some adjustability. I mean, a lot of people that I know that have these say, it's a night and day difference on how it rides, handles. So I'm ready to test it out for myself. And that's the Viking coilovers for the front. Really look good. Can't wait to get them put on. We got for the transmission, I won't take all that out, but Jake's D3 trans brake, not on the back. Instruction list, I'm gonna just give this whole box to the builder. I don't know if he needs the instructions, but it comes with all the solenoids and everything you need, basically. So yeah, there it is. Can't wait to get these parts put on. This right here has been one thing that's holding us up from doing any work. Right now it's 8 o'clock and it's 82 degrees in here. Y'all could imagine what it's like when it's 105 outside, heat index. It gets 95 degrees in here. It feels like an attic, so nobody wants to work in that. I work in it all day long. Don't want to come home and work in it for sure. So got this unit, this air conditioning unit we've got put up in the rafters. Like I said, it's wired up. Got to get the outdoor unit set, soldered up, ductwork hooked up, and then we'll be able to get some work done. So once that's up and running, stuff should start coming together way faster than it has been. Should be able to get all these parts put on in like a couple weeks, maybe a weekend, couple weekends. Get all those parts put on. Get the bed put back on. I've already said it, but just get everything put back together, fuel system hooked up, and should be ready to go. And then we'll start working on the Mazda. Will be my next project. Kyle's got his truck. We're still waiting on the motor. He wants to put a I'll let him tell it. I'll say a new rear end, but we should have a video on this channel. We'll go over all the truck parts and all that good stuff, but it's getting gutted and completely redone. It's gonna be a badass truck when it gets done. That's all I got to say right now. I don't want to spoil too much. I don't know what he wants to say. It is gonna be somewhat a grudge truck, so probably not like completely no time, but we'll just have to see how. We trying to hustle and get this YouTube thing really going. So y'all, any tips, feedback y'all have, just drop it in the comments. But so that's a wrap. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. Like and subscribe. Peace out.